Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're tired of the indignity of having to bend down and pick up your animals' little drops of joy every time they have to use the bathroom, then you've got to check out this amazing poop scooper from UPSKY. This is a foldable 32-inch long handle poop scooper that can handle small droppings or big droppings. I got this for my 73-year-old mother. She has a small dog with small droppings, but I wanted to spare her back so that she doesn't have to bend over, and this has been the perfect tool for that. It has an easy to squeeze release handle, and this can really accommodate a lot of different droppings. You can see as I pick up pine cones around the yard how much it can actually fit into the scoop part. This folds in the middle for easy storage. There is a slide sleeve in the middle that just goes to keep the pieces together, and then it easily slides out so that you can fold it up again. I wasn't sure if the bag would fall off because there's nothing to really secure it in place when you go to pick up the droppings. But actually I found even in wind, it stayed right in place and it was easy to remove as well. This has been such a nice utensil for my mom to use for her little dog Joey. We're really happy with it, and that's our point of view.